What's the meaning of catalyse? Catalyse. Catalyse.
Catalyse. Catalyse. The term catalyse refers to the process of accelerating or facilitating a chemical reaction by introducing a catalyst, which lowers the activation energy required for the reaction to occur. The result of catalysis is an increase in the rate of the chemical reaction, without the catalyst being consumed or permanently altered in the process. Catalysts work by providing an alternative pathway for the reaction to occur, allowing reactant molecules to form intermediate products more easily. This reduces the amount of energy needed for the reaction to proceed and thus speeds up the overall reaction rate.